Hey guys, Mr. Superfan here, back with another video. Sadly, my internet is completely off, so I can't remember the seller's name. But obviously, when this is uploaded, the Wi-Fi will be back on. But here is a 3D printed keycap, which is the cheapest keycap I could currently find at the minute because I didn't have much money. But even better is 20% of whatever is made from this instantly, it doesn't go to the seller first, it instantly goes to Alzheimer's charity. So that's amazing. I actually ordered a red and yellow because I couldn't just find a straight up red one, and he said, oh, I'm sorry, that one's already sold, and I don't have access to my printer right now, so I can't print you another one. And he showed us what he had left, and there was a red one which I actually wanted to begin with. So that was absolutely amazing. So let's just move the camera closer. And we are going to put him right there. Can you see him? That's perfect. Right, now the only worry I have is to take it off. I don't think my keycap thing's going to fit over his face, but we'll have to come to that when we get to that. So we'll push onto the escape key and we'll give it a pull. Ta-da! And there's our escape key. And here's our new key going on. Duh! How cool is that? Right, let me just lift you guys up. And there is our new escape key. And we'll give it a press. It kind of overlaps on the other key, but it doesn't push it. So that is really cool. And now, whilst I still have the camera on, I'm just going to see how well it is if I can take it off. Yeah, that's not going to fit over there, so we're just going to pull it from the sides. Yeah, pull it from the sides and it should just easily come straight off. That is absolutely amazing. If I can find out where it went. Yep, there it is back. Obviously, the RGB would be a lot better if I recorded this at night, but I'm next to a big, lovely window. But yeah, that is absolutely amazing. Like I say, I'm going to leave links in the description where you can help your own. You can buy your own and help Alzheimer's charity. I mean, it's fantastic. One, you're getting a cheap keycap. Two, it's absolutely quality. Yes, it's 3D printed, but I don't know what he's put on the top layer, but it is so smooth and it feels so amazing to press. I mean, look at that. Speed clicking, everything. It's fine. Yeah, nothing else I can say. And you'll be helping out Alzheimer's charities, which is always amazing when you can help out other people. So yeah, Mr. Superfan signing out. Please like, sub, comment. Bye.